This video is for general knowledge. Hey, YouTubers, like, subscribe, share. Like I said before, I'm just getting into this. I appreciate the patience. So a couple weeks ago, the velocity stack on the Z-Ring actually came loose and it was rattling around in my pipe. I was told by some guys on a Facebook forum for Indian Challenger that I can reach out to Tab Performance. Shout out to Tab Performance. Thanks for sending me a replacement. So I'm just gonna kind of walk through the steps of replacing this thing. So first things first, you have to take the tip off, and there's just two Allen bolts that hold that in place. All right, so Tab Performance sent me some replacement Z-rings because the previous one had broken, and as you can see, they did a really good job with machining it, making it one entire piece versus being a connection. And I have some pictures posted of the old one, and you can also see it on my other videos. But what you want to do here, so I'm gonna do mine inverted versus with the tab symbol on top. So I like the look of this a little bit better. And based on where you tighten down, this tip is where you're gonna put your recess screws to hold down that Z-ring. So I got some red Loctite on there, and started with hand tight just to make sure you're not cross threading anything. You want to make sure that this is seated properly. All right, she feels snug. Go ahead and put a little bit more tension on it. Yeah, make sure you use red Loctite. Okay. Hey, just make sure that you don't use a metal hammer. This is a rubber mallet. It's a soft compound. It looks like it's hard, but it is not. Okay, guys, that's where it's lined up with the hole. And then also underneath, we should be good to go. See, it's a little off, but we'll make that adjustment. So we want to go ahead and tighten that up and use red Loctite. Okay, we want to go ahead and tighten these up, these tips. Hey team, like, share, and subscribe. Also, if you have any videos as far as maintenance or how-tos on an Indian Challenger or any other bike, shoot me a message, let me know so I can make sure that I do those videos. I work on quite a few bikes. Thanks a lot.